Okay guys, this is just a quick tutorial on how I attach my crochet earrings. Attach the ear wire to the crochet earrings. So the last thing in the pattern was to crochet 5 chains, and then you fasten off, leaving a long chain so that you can easily weave in. Insert the needle in the loop of the ear wire. Make sure that the needle go easily through this loop, like so. And from the wrong side of my stitches, I'm going to weave in. So I'm going to thread the needle here in the third, or in the back strand of my chain. Make sure that it's not too tight. Thread the needle in the next chain, always from the back strands. Repeat for the other 3 chains. Okay, this is the last one. Now I'm going to weave in the back of my earring. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to attach the ear wire and at the same time you weave in ends. And those are my earrings. The pattern is very easy. The link of the written pattern in the description box below this video. I may add some beads. I'm not sure. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.